HNB Engineers Private Limited is a leading EPC contractor engaged in wastewater treatment technology. Started on a small scale by Mr. H.N. Bhatt in 1973, the organization has now grown as major player in wastewater treatment works. Since 1984, the organization has concentrated on wastewater treatment technology and now has 25 years experience in the field of wastewater treatment and engineering. During this period of 25 years, the organization has successfully constructed more than 50 sewage treatment plants of diverse magnitudes for a wide range of clients. The rich and valuable experience accumulated by the organization's core team over the years has enabled introduction of numerous specialty technology considering the constraints of flow, electricity and space. While executing these diverse projects, the organization has successfully handled different treatment processes such as extended aeration, activated sludge process, carousel aeration process, bio-tower technology, that is attached growth process, sequential batch reactor process and package treatment plant, etc. The presentation which you are now viewing is of a wastewater treatment plant based on Combi tree technology. This is a cutting-edge technology in wastewater treatment developed by HNB Engineers Private Limited, giving careful consideration and proper weightage to the constraints of universal shortage of land and power and skilled manpower to operate the plant. This will be a patented technology of the organization and application for patent of Combi tree technique is in process. Your screen now shows various units which are integral part of the process of sewage treatment irrespective of the technology adopted, along with a patented unit of Combi treat. The individual units are raw sewage sump and pump house, primary unit, laboratory, sludge thickener, centrifuge platform, chlorination room, chlorine contact tank, administrative building, patented Combi treat unit, hydropower generation unit, biogas-based generation unit and control room. The schematic representation and sequence of treatment includes receipt of raw sewage to sump, removal of floating material in coarse screen chamber above 20 mm size, removal of floating material in fine screen chamber above 6 mm size, removal of inorganic matter of specific gravity greater than 2.65 and particle size more than 0.15 mm in grit removal tank, biological treatment in Combi treat, generation of methane and generation of electricity, generation of hydropower. The excellent quality of water discharge at outlet enables the same to be used for gardening, industrial purpose cooling tower, air conditioning, car washing or any other purpose than human consumption. The sewage after entering into raw sewage sump is screened at core screen chamber where particles above 20 mm size are separated and removed mechanically out of the sump. Removal of floating material at this stage increases working life of the pump. The liquid, which is now free from large size solids, is pumped to the primary unit. Screening separated by the above process can be used for dumping, landfilling, etc. The liquid received at primary unit is fine screened to remove floating particles of over 6 mm size and then passes through the unit grit chamber where inorganic matter is separated. At this stage, the sand, grit particles are removed from the system with the help of mechanical screw. From primary unit, sewage will now flow to central zone of Combi treat unit from bottom. The outlet launder being provided at periphery and at the top of unit, the liquid will flow from bottom of Combi treat unit towards top of the container, from where it will flow out to USBR tanks for its aerobic treatment. At central zone, during the time of traveling liquid from center to periphery, sludge particles will settle and settled liquid will only go out. The settled sludge particle contains higher concentration of pollutants expressed in terms of BOD, COD, etc. The comparatively weakly polluted liquid will flow out to USBR. The principles of this system is to treat heavily polluted sludge anaerobically to save power and to generate biogas as fuel for electricity. The contents are mixed thoroughly, which enables generation of biogas. The methane biogas generated in the process at central anaerobic zone, being light in weight, will flow upward and will be collected at central dome portion. The dome has a facility of moving up and down to accommodate variation in volume of biogas. The overflown liquid from central zone will receive at
CLSBR
tanks for treatment in batches and in sequence of aerate, settle and discharge fill. This is a constant level method. The USBR technique does not demand any loss in head during process of treatment and discharge. Hence, constant head is available at discharge point, which is utilized for driving turbine for generation of hydropower. The biogas collected at central dome will be used for generation of electricity by providing biogas engine connected to alternator. Excess sludge generated within the system will be thickened at thickener before passing the same through centrifuge for dewatering. Treated water coming out of plant after driving the hydropower turbine will be disposed of after giving chlorination treatment at chlorine contact tank. The highlights of the project are excellent outlet quality, small footprint, fully automatic operation with PLC, compact design, lowest power consumption than any other method of treatment having guaranteed output, capacity of hydropower generation, capacity of generation of power from biogas. Total power generation is up to 80% of power required for sewage treatment and minimum manpower for operation and maintenance.